Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Leslie and Lily. I've only found one product that helps me with this problem that we have. She hates getting her teeth cleaned. She literally will not let me get inside her mouth. So I needed to get rid of that horrible breath that she has so I could actually give her kisses and not want to vomit. So we decided to invest in the Fresh Breath Advanced Whitening Oral Care Water Additive, okay? So instead of me getting in here and making her mad, or instead of her trying to give me kisses that smell like it didn't come from her mouth, we now have this, where all I have to do is every morning when I give her water or every afternoon, you simply just put a little bit of this in her water, which allows you to do no brushing. So I want to walk through a couple things about it in case you have any other questions. So first and foremost, it has 3D micro guard inside of it. It helps fight plaque and tartar buildup. It is made with natural ingredients, which is very, very important to me and my family. It says simply add 1 capful to your pet's water bowl, approximately 16 ounces each time you refill it. So all we have to do is take this off every time, pour it, dump that in the water, and we are good to go every time we refill her bottle.